Good morning, students. Today I am going to start your new chapter, that is coal and petroleum. First of all, we will do the objectives. Objectives are to learn the natural resources and their kinds, exhaustible natural resources, example coal, petroleum and natural gas. First of all, out of these three, we will take coal. That how do we get it, what its products and their uses. Second, we will take petroleum, formation of petroleum, refining of petroleum, constituents of petroleum and their uses. Third, we will take natural gas and its uses. And next, limitation of fossil fuels. So these are the topics those we are going to learn in this chapter. Students, as you know that we use various materials such as food, clothes, furniture, fuel, water, etc. to fulfill our basic needs. Out of these, some we get from nature and some have been made by human. Material, those we get from nature and are useful to us, are known as natural material. For example, air, water, soil, coal, petroleum, plants, animals, etc. Right? So, materials are classified into natural and human-made. Example of natural are air, water, soil, coal, etc. Depending upon the abundance and availability, natural materials are classified into two: inexhaustible natural material and exhaustible natural material. Inexhaustible natural material means which are present in unlimited quantity and are not likely to be exhausted by human activity. For example, sunlight, air, water, sand, etc. These are present in unlimited quantity. Right. On the other hand, exhaustible natural resources which are present in limited quantity and are likely to be exhausted over a certain period of time. For example, forest, coal, petroleum, natural gas, etc. Now, these exhaustible natural resources can further be classified into two: renewable and non-renewable natural resources. Renewable natural resources means which can replenish themselves by quick recycling within a reasonable period of time if managed properly. Or in simple words, we can say which can refill themselves in a limited period of time, in a reasonable period of time. For example, soil, forest, wildlife, etc. On the other hand, which cannot replenish themselves by quick recycling within a reasonable period of time, are known as non-renewable. Example, coal, petroleum and natural gas. Why they are non-renewable? Because they take millions and millions of years for their formation. Right? Next, material which are burnt to produce power or heat energy are known as fuels. Remains of dead plants and animals buried under the earth millions of years ago are called fossils. Fuels formed from dead remains of plants and animals buried under the millions of years ago are known as fossil fuels. Right? So, from these three, that is coal, petroleum and natural gas, first of all we are going to take coal. Right? So, coal is a fossil fuel. It is hard and black in color. Coal is formed by gradual decay and compression of remains of plants and trees in the absence of air. The slow chemical process of conversion of dead remains of plant into coal under the influence of high temperature and pressure is called carbonization. Coal contains mainly carbon, but along with it hydrogen, oxygen and small amount of nitrogen and sulfur are also present. Uses of coal. Coal is used to cook food. It is used in railway engine to produce steam to run the engine. Thermal power plant to produce electricity. Used in various industries. Along with it, we can manufacture the coal product by the process of destructive distillation. By the process of destructive distillation, we can manufacture coke, coal tar, ammonium liquor and coal gas from the coal. Right? Or in other words, we can say that these four are the products of coal. So, first of all, we will take them one by one. First of all, we will take coke. So, products of coal. Coke. Coke is tough, porous and greyish black substance. It is obtained by the destructive distillation of coal. It is pure form of carbon. It contains 98% carbon. It is used in manufacture of steel and in extraction of many metals. Right? Coal tar. It is black, viscous, means thick, liquid with unpleasant smell. It is a mixture of more than 200 compounds. Products obtained from coal tar are such as toluene, benzene, naphthalene, phenol, etc. And these products we get by the process of fractional distillation. These are used to manufacture dyes, explosive, paints, pesticides, plastic, photographic material, naphthalene balls, etc. Earlier, coal tar was used to metaling the road, but these days bitumen, a petroleum product, is used in place of coal tar. Right? Third is coal gas. Coal gas is obtained during the processing of coal to coke. It has a high calorific value and hence used as a fuel in many industries. Fourth, ammonium compounds. Ammonium compounds, when dissolved in water, form ammonium liquor. It is used to manufacture nitrogenous compounds. Right, students? It was about the coal. How we get coal, what are the uses of coal, and what are the four products of coal and their uses as well. Next, petroleum and natural gas I will take in my next video. Thank you.